Shillong College Alumni Association Rakhe ke jingdap khat sau Snem jongka khat praterik unai lar hagate ke sngi la don ki program per kum ki jingrai ki jingshan na ki khna puli ke Shillong College ban Rakhe shongkon ya ke jingdap khat sau Snem kani ke sunjok jongki palapas na kani ke college na lor ki bor pinyai college kentu principal ba ki di ramse ki khat ka association la wan bani don langru to SP ke East Castles ba kharkrang play shemi ka benta kum kongsan la yo iru ika jingkran kong W Solia kablai thu ika jingstang jongka senjok ringkat ki jingtre kam jongka ki khat sau Snem pala let na do bala sang yaka hakate ka sngi ka association kalapun ko burami ki samla ki bla pas pa haki jingpuli jongki.
Since most of you are all still students of this college, I would like to emphasize only one thing in you. If you decide to take up any career in your life or any line, please do it sincerely. Maybe you might say that this SP is here, he's finished his days in college and he's talking blah blah blah. But I'll tell you, there's no shortcut to any success. You have to really work hard. Be it music, be it art. In fact, your alumni here who's come along with me, Mr. Steve Rinja, his children have chosen music as a career and doing very well in London over there. So you see, the thing is, it's not only about studies. Probably there are many other fields that we have to look into. There's a world of opportunity over there. It is for you to go and choose and pick. Please take your work seriously. If you have to pursue your studies, do it well. Because there is a lot of opportunity over there, but you have to excel. There's nothing for someone who does not excel.